You should be changing your needle in between every project you do. To change your needle, make sure that you have our needle alignment tool, our screwdriver, and then Gross Beckert needles. They come in 3 sizes, a 14, a 16, and an 18. These will depend on your thread weight, and for finesse thread, we use a size 18 needle. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make sure that our needle and our machine is unthreaded. Once we have our needle unthreaded, we're gonna grab our screwdriver, and we have a little screw here that holds in our needle. We're gonna twist and we're gonna pull that out. And once we have that, our needle will fall right out. Make sure you're careful when disposing of these. We're gonna put this off to the side, and we're gonna grab our brand new needle. Once we have our brand new needle, we're gonna open the pack that has our needle alignment magnet. The way you put your needle in is very important. The front of the needle will have a little divot, and that is a perfect space for a fingernail, and that's gonna be facing towards the front of the machine. And if I turn the needle, you can see the scarf, and that's supposed to be facing your hopping foot or your sewing foot when changing the needle. We're gonna put our needle alignment magnet on the front part of the needle, and that's gonna be our guide. Once we do that, we're gonna place our needle in. We're gonna slide it all the way up. And once we have that, you can see that if I have the needle facing this way, then our needle alignment magnet is facing towards me. What we want is we want to make it so that it faces towards the front of the machine or the outside of the machine, however you're looking at it. And we're going to make sure that's good. The magnet is facing in the right position that we want. So I'm going to hold this. I'm going to put in our screw. And before I tighten it all the way, I'm gonna double check again that our needle magnet is in the right spot. And once I've done that, I'm gonna tighten with our screwdriver. And then we have replaced our needle.